Is an automatic car wash really that bad? Or is hand washing just snobby? Let me show you the real difference, and it might change how you wash your vehicle forever. I'm James from Hadrian's Vehicle Services. Now, the problem with automatic car washes, those spinning brushes in an automatic car wash, they're covered in grit, dirt, and sand from every other vehicle that's gone before yours. Every time those brushes hit your paint, they're dragging grit across the surface, and the result is thousands of tiny scratches and swirl marks. Marring and dark cars show a lot worse than obviously light cars do. Now look at any black car that uses the machine washes regularly and you'll see spiderwebs of swirl marks in the sunlight of the paintwork. Now why hand washing is a lot safer. A proper hand wash uses fresh, clean water, a microfiber mitt that's rinsed constantly, 2-bucket method to keep dirt separate, gentle controlled motions and the mitt glides over the paint, dirt is lifted, not dragged, and the paint stays swirl free. It takes a lot longer, but your paint stays looking good for years. The time trade-off. I do get it, automatic car washes are very convenient, they're very cheap as well, drive in, drive out, done. Hand washing takes 20 to 40 minutes minimum, and here's the calculation. Save time now, pay hundreds later for paint correction, or invest a little bit of time now and keep your paint absolutely perfect. For me, it's worth the extra effort. What about touchless automatic washers? Now, touchless washers, the ones where the water jets and kind of just fly around the car with no brushes, are a lot better. No physical contact means no scratching, but they are not as effective as cleaning as what a brushed one would be. There often leaves a lot of soap residue and chemicals which are a lot stronger to obviously compensate for no brushes, which in turn kind of strips ceramic coating, waxes and protection. They're okay occasionally, but not ideal for regular use. Now, when automatic car washes might be acceptable. Look, if you lease a car for 2 years and don't care about the paint condition, automatic car washes won't ruin your life. If you're a sales rep doing 50,000 miles a year in a company car, convenience totally wins. I totally understand. But if you own your car, if you care about it, and you want it looking good all year round, avoid automatic car washes. At Hadrian's, we only hand wash the vehicles. We use proper techniques to protect the paintwork. And if you don't have time to wash the car yourself, that's what we're here for. I'm James from Hadrian's, and thank you for watching.